Hello, my name is Dayana Carolina Pineda. I am 25 years old. I am from Chiquinquirá, Boyacá. I live in Chiquinquirá, Boyacá. I am a student, but I am also a mother. I live with my mother, my husband, my brothers, and my daughter. I am studying occupational security, and I am studying industrial engineering. My favorite sport is the soccer and basketball, and my favorite TV show is Criminal Minds. My mother is Marta Sofía Pineda Olmos. She is 48 years old. She is a nurse. She is from Maripí, Boyacá. My mother is very happy. She is tall, her eyes are brown, and she's hair is dark. My father is Jose Garay. He is old, he is tall, his hair is black, he is 68 years old, and he is angry, and sometimes is cheerful. My daughter is Sara Correa. She is 5 years old. She is small, her eyes are big and brown. She is happy. She is a girl very sweet. I love my daughter. My husband is Diego Correa. He is tall. He is 28 years old. Her eyes are big and black. He loves the music. He is cheerful. This is my family. Thank you.